So, okay guys, let's start. Ang intro maker ay madadownload natin sa App Store and Play Store for free. So, available siya, magagamit niyo siya sa iPhone niyo or Android. So, pakita ko sa inyo. So, ito yung intro maker na download ko na siya. It is developed by Ryzen Rise. And madami din siyang magagandang reviews. So far, ito lang yung app na alam ko na may magagandang templates for intro or outro. So if meron kayong masasuggest, just comment below kung anong app ang ginagamit nyo ngayon. And okay, let's start. So guys, napapansin nyo, di natin makikita yung templates. Before, nung hindi ko pa siya in-update, nakikita ko yung mga templates. But now, bagong update to, kailangan nating i-turn on yung internet connection para makapagpili ng templates or para lumabas yung mga templates dito. So, turn on muna natin. Okay, so yan, lumabas na po yung mga templates. Dito maraming categories na pwede niyong pagpilian. Dito sa popular and show. Ito, marami na akong na-download dito. Maraming free. Meron ding VIP. So ito, free to. Pili lang kayo kung alin dyan. Pwede nyo yung ma-download. Meron pa dito. Ito, nagamit ko na to sa iba kong videos. Ito din is VIP. So, meaning di mo siya magagamit unless ma-purchase mo yung app. So, if ma-purchase mo na yung app, is magagamit yung ibang templates. Tapos meron pa kayong free, filters or fonts or stickers. So, sa game din meron. Perfect to sa mga YouTube channel dyan na gaming yung content nila or your niche. So, dyan. So, dito sa outro, meron din akong na-download na mga templates. So, ito, nagamit ko na to. And ito is VIP. Again, you have to purchase the app to use this. So, let's use this one. Yan. So, first thing you have to do is choose a music. So, by the way, meron po silang free music. You just have to give credits to the artist. So, ako meron akong music na napili. No copyright song po siya by Tobu Itro, Sunburst. Ito. So, yan. Sa fade in, yan yung may effect na fade sa intro music. Yung fade out naman is yung may fade effect sa ending ng music. So, ito na yung yung music. Yan. So, if may part kayo ng song na gusto nyo, so all you have to do is just slide and find that part. And for example, this one. So, yan. If yan ang gusto nyong part, just have to click check. So, ito yung gusto ko. So, click check. Yan. So, yan siya hanggang 8 seconds. After that, find which part you want the text to appear. So, this one here. And then, click text below left side. Yan. And then write the text or message that you want. And then below there you can see 2 arrows, parang recycle arrows. Yan para siya, parang you make it parang zoom mo siya. Yan. So ito sa layout. Maraming free layouts that you can use, and some you have to purchase the app to be able to use it. And then dito sa design, meron ding free fonts that you can use. You can also download some of this. Some you have to purchase. You have to purchase the app to be able to use it. And then here, we'll choose a font. So ito. Beside the A is T, and then yan is sa size. Gaano kalaki. Below is the color fill. You choose the color of the font. Below naman is parang the distance between each letters. Next, T is the stroke. Yan. Then, pili ka ng stroke color. Next, T is the shadow. Explore lang talaga, guys. Kasi madali lang yung app. Yan, pili ka ng color ng shadow. The next is the background. So, we won't use that. Okay, done. There. So, para yung text niya is makikita hanggang dulo. All you have to do is click the arrow on the right side and then slide until the end. Kasi pag hindi nyo siya, yan, kita nyo, if hindi nyo siya isa-slide hanggang end, hanggang dun lang yung text niya. So kailangan nyo siyang i-slide hanggang dulo. Next is for the rectangular box. So, lalagay natin dyan more videos. Yan. Pili ka ng font and then ang size and color and then stroke. So, some more videos, may dalawang box. So, all you have to do to make copy of this is click the plus sign above. Para less hassle, click mo lang yan. And then yan, check. There, may dalawang font na siya. May copy na siya. So yan, done. And then drag, align mo siya. And then again, click the arrow. Slide until hanggang sa dulo. Slide mo siya. Yan. And then next, yung isa pa, click mo yung arrow. And then yan. So, napansin nyo guys, hindi siya align. So, click mo yung box ng more videos para ma-align mo siya or ma-arrange mo yung font or yung text. Yan. Click mo lang yan and then done. Then next, wait. And align mo lang yan. There. And then for the subscribe, again align. Just type in subscribe. And then choose a font style. Pili lang tayo ng simple, guys. Ito. Okay, again, edit. Choose, choose a color. Ito. Tapos, lagyan natin ng background. So, match siya sa YouTube. Red and white. And sa size, make it small. And, yan. Yung parang size din ng yung font. Click mo lang din yung arrow. Parang recycle arrow. And then again, slide mo yan hanggang dulo. Okay, so try natin play. Yan. So yan na guys. Yung yan na po yung, sorry, yan na po yung, yung finished project natin. So, save lang natin, exporting video. So, napansin nyo guys sa video, sa inedit nating outro, meron siyang watermark. So, ginagawa ko is, nilalagyan ko siya ng sticker to cover the watermark. Meron akong app na ginagamit to finalize all my edits, and the app is called Inshot. It is also free in in App Store and Play Store, so you can use it. You can use your iPhone also with this app. So, ito yung Inshot. Ito yung ito yung main app ko for editing. And the good thing about this app is that, wala siyang watermark. Well, actually, meron siyang watermark, pero, pwede mo siyang tanggalin just by watching ads. And then, if wala ka namang internet connection, matatanggal din siya. Kahit wala ka internet connection. That's the good thing about this app. Kahit wala ka internet connection, you can remove the watermarks. So here, ito na. Remove. So I will show you again that the watermarks really the watermark will be removed even if wala kayong internet connection. So yan, ayan, okay, yan. So yan po. Okay, wait, delete ko muna to. Yan. Okay, yan guys, kita nyo. So click nyo lang yung sticker, tapos pili ka ng sticker na gusto mo dito. Maraming sticker dito na compatible or fit sa YouTube channel nyo. Like this one, subscribe, stickers, and then meron ding logo ng YouTube, ito. So, click mo lang yan if you want that, and just cover the sticker. So, I choose this cat to cover to cover the watermarks. So, yan, click play, and then check. Yan. So, yun guys. Yan na po yung final project natin for the outro. So, hope guys, meron kayong natutunan at sana ay naintindihan nyo yung tutorial. If meron kayong questions, just comment below. Or if meron kayong suggestions, just comment below. And if you think this video is helpful, just click like and share this to your friends, and click subscribe na din for more videos. Thank you.